Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you Bohemian kitchen ideas. Embrace free spirit, stunning Bohemian kitchen ideas for a vibrant home. Bohemian design, or boho for short, grows from free spirited vibes rooted in artistic lifestyles. It mixes bold patterns with natural touches, far from the clean lines of minimalist kitchens or the sharp edges of modern ones. Think layer rugs, vibrant tiles, and plants dangling from shelves, elements that create warmth and invite you to linger. This aesthetic shines through global finds, like muffin baskets from markets abroad, and lets you add your own flair. In a world of cookie-cutter homes, boho kitchen ideas stand out by blending comfort with creativity. Core elements of Bohemian kitchen design. Boho kitchens thrive on basics that feel alive and layered. Start with textures that mix smooth and grow for depth. Add colors that warm the room like a sunset. Then weave in patterns from around the world to spark joy. Layered textures and natural materials. Textures build the heart of Bohemian kitchen ideas. Mix reclaimed wood shelves with rattan baskets for a rustic touch. Jute rugs add a soft crunch underfoot, while hammered copper pots gleam on open rugs. Natural materials keep things grounded. Use bamboo cutting boards next to linen towels. These choices make your space feel organic, like a garden pot. Over 70% of interior pros say natural elements boost home happiness, per recent design surveys. Layer wisely to avoid clutter. Hang a macrame plant holder over a wooden table. This setup adds height and interest without crowding counters. Mastering the color palette, warmth and earth tones. Warm Bohemian kitchen colors set a welcoming tone. Go for deep emerald greens on cabinets, paired with terracotta accents. Mustard yellow vases up against white walls, adding sunny energy. Earth tones ground the look. Try sapphire blue tiles with charcoal floors for contrast. These shades mimic nature, think forest greens and desert scents, making meals feel like adventures. Global influences and pattern play. Bohemian kitchen tiles bring the world home. Moroccan patterns in the rich style add geometric flair to backsplashes. Turkish rugs under islands introduce swirls of red and blue. shops or online markets for authenticity. This keeps your boho kitchen ideas fresh and unique. Mix scales for fun. Small floral prints on tear towels pair with large tribal motifs on walls. The key: let each piece shine but harmonize overall. Thanks for watching. If you liked these Bohemian kitchen design ideas, please share with your friends and subscribe. You've been watching the Design and Decor channel. Sam Good Design.